Alright, this is our '05 Cruisers 400. Still winterized, just getting in it for the season first time. Owners haven't even been down here yet. We're looking at the first weekend in May right here, 2014. See, your cockpit carpets are still not even out yet. Damp red still in the sinks. But there's not a scratch on the boat. This boat is really, truly what you want to look at if you want a mint conditioned, low hours. We're looking around 260, 275 hours presently. Volvo inboards. Tunnel drives. Shaft drives. This is not an inboard outboard boat. This is an inboard boat. Like I said, still winterized, but extremely clean. Let's see if we can get some lights on in here. Jack and Jill. Into the master forward berth stateroom. Full stand-up separated bulkhead shower. All the linens. Everything's in really Bristol condition in here. Even storage of the refrigerator. Spick and span, I'm sure the freezer is no exception. Wow. Very clean. And this is winterized. Nice and clean. Garmin 310C, full color screen, chart plotter, GPS. Last gentleman that purchased one of these, we did install Ray Marine radar and autopilot, so that can be done right here at the facility. There you go. Cockpit, massive hard top, coming all the way back. Again, all this fiberglass and all this canvas really shows in excellent condition. Bow pad for your forward sun pad. And again, this was a freshwater riverboat kept in a covered slip. And again, looking at this again, you got the Furuno radar. So if you want, we could just integrate autopilot with that. And give you a quick buzz of your engine room, just so you can see it spick and span down there. You're looking at Volvo Pentas. These are the high 8.1 GIs. This is a direct drive propulsion generator. I will get down there and inspect engine hours. Right about 260. This is the 2005 Cruiser's 400.